Day 179 of 365 doing keto. Today we are having a barbecue. This is the first one this summer for me. We are just mixing some meat with some spices. Rosemary, thyme, beef stock, tomato paste, olive oil. Give it a good mix. Now we are just making some skewers out of it. Let's start the grilling. Fit the meat once in a while. Preferably use a temp so you don't overcook it. Butter. The corn is not for me, guys, I promise. Spice up vegetables. Mix them together. When food is ready, just remove everything. Look at this. Finally we plate it. Also added some béarnaise and garlic butter. This was so good, absolutely delicious. No training today, but still some flexing. Some snacks. Checking the calendar. Checking my blood.
1.6